Mario and the strawberry business. Mario wakes up. The strawberries are ripe. In the morning at Mario's strawberry garden. Now, let's follow a warning that the gas is running out. Luckily, a gas station is here.
Not good.
Oh, but the gas station isn't working. The warning signal continues.
Oh no!
So yeah, what will Mario do now? Looks like the gas now. Pushing the car is the only option. The car speeds down the slope, crashing into the fruit garden.
I'm sorry, my car ran out of gas, so... What did you do? Fine, I'll take care of my garden. Thank you very much.
Mario continues pushing the car to find a gas station. What?
Gas is 50% off.
Is there a long line of cars at the gas station?
Great!
Gas prices are reduced and many people are buying. Replenish energy while waiting. The story takes a Calm down, it's your turn now.
This is too much. It's infuriating.
Truly, it's Mario's turn. Huh?
Sorry, we're out of gas.
Isn't it out of gas?
Oh no, what am I going to do? I have to ask Luigi for help. Mario, I'm coming. Mario, what's wrong?
We'll wait for the concrete to dry. A sturdy foundation. Wow, a professional gas station. Both are extremely excited. Enthusiastic fans. The referee takes his position. Enthusiastic fans. The race begins. Whoa, the referee is a bit nervous.
Stop!
Sorry, Mario. Come on, Mario! Cars chasing each other closely.
Whoa, it hurts! My car!
Will Mario continue the race?
Luigi, wait up!
The road is rocky, but both are still trying hard. Mario speeds up to catch Luigi.
Ouch!
Wow! Fantastic lift by Luigi! Luigi Luigi safely lands. Mario prepares to make a leap. But what's happening?
Come on, let's go!
Oh no!
Haha, I'm almost winning. Iron Man, quickly help me with some fuel. Sure. Mario, I'm still here waiting for you.
Mario seems impatient. Whoa, Mario seems... Stay calm, Mario. Wait, pulling the fuel tank along. Luigi leaves, not helping Mario. What will Mario do?
Help! Help! Over there is a fire! I need your water bucket! Sure! Thank you!
Luigi quickly fills a water bucket to rescue. I'm not sure how Luigi will put out the fire. Let's see.
The fuel pump needs to be placed back in the right position. Let's go.
All right. Where is Mario heading?
Hello, Mario.
Yes.
The new fuel pump. Let's see how Mario and Luigi do. Cement will help stabilize the fuel pump. The fuel pumps are placed one by one.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Fans are extremely excited. In the final stretch of the race, who will be the winner?
Thank you, everyone. We want to win together.
The most honest one. Which watermelon is the most beautiful? The princess wants to find out who can grow the biggest and most beautiful watermelon. That person will be the prince. The current tough competitor.
What's going on? I will definitely win. There's no watermelon bigger than mine.
Organic fruit. Organic fruits are available here. Luigi quickly returns home and plans to grow a watermelon,
Hello. Hello, boss.
including various seeds and fertilizers.
I went to buy the best watermelon seeds. Thank you. Good luck. Bye.
Luigi excitedly brings the seeds home. The big and beautiful watermelon seeds are sown into the soil. That's right, water is essential. Luigi is full of hope. The rooster crows, and Luigi hastily runs out to check the watermelon garden. Not a single watermelon.
It can't be.
Oh no, there's no...
Why is that?
Aha!
Hello?
Where's Luigi going?
I don't see any watermelons. Let me show you this way. Oh.
Growth hormone for plants? Luigi quickly starts sprinkling the growth hormone on the watermelon, making it grow quickly. To ensure victory,
Yeah.
Luigi continues to sprinkle the growth hormone, making the watermelon grow as fast as lightning. Luigi watermelon surpasses the Mario's in size. The watermelon keeps...
Luigi, did you cheat?
Oh no! The princess is extremely eager and walks away.
Well,
Melon. This time, Luigi will... Honest, right? What is Luigi doing? Watermelon is pulled into a square box.
I will definitely not let Princess down again.
Even though it's night, Luigi...
Huh?
Melon
Maybe.
remains the same.
Watermelon needs more light.
Luigi uses the 4 heads muscle of the tank. I to provide light for the photosynthesis. Wow, a spare watermelon. That's really unique. At the castle, the princess sighed sadly. Now it's time to find the princess. Is it Luigi?
This is for the princess.
The robber and the failed heist. A masked character was diligently digging holes. While Mario was still fast asleep, it seems like he has a malicious intention. What is he planning to do with his holes? A sign? Is it real or fake? Hello, there's an order.
I want to order grapes. Deliver them to this address quickly. Okay. Hello there.
Are you here to pick grapes? Wow, well done.
Someone ordered a whole truck of grapes.
The grape garden has various types, with bunches of heavy, juicy grapes. A race is about to happen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that's great. Come on.
Oh, Mario forgot about the delivery? Mario is having too much fun.
Hey, yeah. Come on.
The mysterious man is still anxiously waiting.
Why haven't you delivered the grapes to me yet?
Sorry, I'm coming right away.
There you go.
This is the correct address. The truck enters the truck hole created by that man. It's hard to roll out of the hole. Mario fell into the trough. What is the mysterious man planning to do?
My friend, please help me.
Okay, wait for me.
There you go.
The mysterious man sneaks onto the truck. You want to steal grapes?
What's going on? Robber!
It turns out to be a failed heist. The friends together help Mario fix the road. Mario escaped the trap.
Let's go.
The holes, making the road smoother. Let's see if Pop controls the road roller, filling up. See how the vehicles work together. Wow, the road is smooth and clean again.
Hey, what happened?
Be more careful.
A robber tricked me here. Thanks, my friend. I'm back. haven't delivered the grapes to the customer?
Oh, that's dangerous.
I'm really frustrated. It's a trap set by the robber who wanted to steal my grapes.
I'm back too. Nothing could be better.
Do you want to eat grapes and watch TV?
They watch a movie about rob, a very joyful scene. Enjoy eating grapes together. Mario and the mission to rescue goldfish.
Oh, my stomach.
On the slope, Hawk is doing his job. A rolling rock swiftly descends the slopes. Oh no! The water tank breaks. A fish!
Oh, this can't be.
At Mario's garden. Luigi, help the water to cook garden.
Oh, I prepared a cool bottle of water.
The watering can starts working. Oh, the fish from earlier.
Huh? What's going on?
Luigi is extremely surprised to see this pool of fish.
Hey, hey!
Why are the fish here?
Aren't these the fish from the pan over there?
We'll take them home.
The Mario Brothers transport his pool of fish back to the water tank.
Hello? Oh my gosh! Huh?
We have work to do now.
The big rock broke the water tank.
What will the Mario Brothers do to help this pool of fish?
Mario, I'll handle the big rock.
Okay.
Crane track offering, lifting the big rat out of the tank. Crane track offering, lifting the big rat out of the tank. This broken tank needs to be replaced. Wow, a fish-shaped water tank. Lovely tank. Sand, stabilizing and smoothing the area around the tank. Of course, we need to pump the water. Into the tank.
Welcome, brother.
Fish on their new home. They seem delighted.